So, who's required to have Hipaa training? You might be surprised to learn it's more than just those working in the healthcare field. Generally, when you think of Hipaa training, you probably imagine doctors, nurses, medics, and other hospital staff members. But did you know that Hipaa compliance reaches far beyond the medical field? Any organization with personnel that handle or have access to protected health information, PHI, those individuals are required by law to receive Hipaa training. Whether you're in HR, IT, law enforcement, marketing, or even a document disposal or shredder company, if your job involves the handling of protected health information, you're required to receive Hipaa training. Let's break it down and see who should take this essential course and why. Hipaa compliance isn't just about protecting patient data in hospitals. It applies to any industry where PHI is accessed, stored, transmitted, or disposed of. Without proper training, organizations risk major fines, data breaches, and serious reputational and legal consequences. Let's take a look at the various industries that need Hipaa training and why. Starting with healthcare professionals and medical organizations. Of course, doctors, nurses, dentists, therapists, and medical staff members must follow Hipaa standards to keep patient data confidential. But Hipaa training isn't just a box to check, it's a way to protect patients and ensure trust in healthcare settings. Next, let's look at health insurance companies and brokers. If you work in the health insurance industry, you're constantly requesting health information, processing claims, verifying eligibility, and managing benefits, all of which involve PHI. Hipaa training ensures that adjusters, underwriters, agents, and customer service reps know the laws regarding the handling of this type of sensitive information securely. Now let's talk about human resources and employee benefits departments. HR teams that handle workers' compensation claims, FMLA requests, manage drug and alcohol testing programs, or employee health benefits, give them access to employee PHI. Hipaa training ensures that sensitive employee health data stays confidential and is only disclosed under Hipaa-compliant circumstances. What about third-party billing and claims processing companies? If your business handles medical billing or insurance claims, you have direct access to PHI. Hipaa mandates that all third-party vendors, also known as business associates, comply with strict security and privacy requirements to prevent fraud and data breaches. Let's turn our focus to law firms or corporate legal teams. Law firms and corporate legal teams working on lawsuits involving injuries, medical malpractice, HIPAA-related lawsuits or compliance issues must understand disclosure rules and PHI security protocols to avoid violations and protect their clients. Now, let's shift our attention to IT and cybersecurity teams. IT professionals play a crucial role in Hipaa compliance by securing electronic health records, EHRs, encrypting data, and implementing access controls. Without Hipaa training, even the best cybersecurity systems could fail due to human error. But we're not done yet. Other industries handling PHI must also comply with Hipaa regulations. An equally important consideration must be made in relation to call centers and customer support representatives. If your role involves scheduling medical appointments or handling billing inquiries over the phone, you must be trained to effectively verify identities and protect patient privacy. Let's not forget about marketing and communications teams. Promoting healthcare services? Be careful. Hipaa strictly regulates how patient information can be used in advertising. Training helps marketing teams avoid unauthorized PHI disclosures. Lastly, it's important to recognize contractors such as document destruction or shredding service providers. Companies that manage the physical disposal of medical records or handle the destruction of devices where PHI was stored, such as computers, laptops, or server drives, must follow the very strict Hipaa standards for secure PHI destruction to prevent data breaches. Compliance training is key to protecting the PHI as well as the company. Still not sure if your business needs Hipaa training? Well, here are some additional reasons why you would want to be sure. Costly violations. Hipaa breaches can lead to fines ranging from as little as $100 to as much as $50,000 per violation, with a maximum annual cumulative amount of $1.5 million. And depending on the circumstances of the breach, the individuals involved could not only face fines, but imprisonment as well. So let's not let that happen to your organization. Increased insurance premiums. Hipaa breaches require notifying affected individuals, covering credit monitoring costs, and setting up an 800 number where impacted individuals can call in for additional information, all of which drive up insurance premiums. Our course equips your team to prevent PHI breaches and reduce these risks. A single data breach can expose thousands of patient records, which could lead to reputational damage to your organization as well as costly lawsuits. Our training teaches employees how to identify and prevent threats. Ensure legal compliance. Hipaa laws are constantly evolving. This training ensures your team is always up to date. Protect patient trust. Secure handling of PHI strengthens relationships between healthcare providers and patients and prevents reputational damage. Prevent costly class action lawsuits. Hipaa training equips employees with the knowledge to properly handle PHI, reducing the risk of data breaches that could lead to class action lawsuits, regulatory fines, and irreversible reputational damage. Create a culture of compliance. Remember, a well-trained workforce is a HIPAA-compliant workforce. Again, Hipaa training isn't just for hospitals, it's for any industry that handles protected health information. Whether you work in HR, IT, finance, legal, marketing, or document management, this training ensures compliance, reduces risk, and protects the people who trust you with their data. So, is your business HIPAA compliant? Are your employees properly trained to handle PHI securely? If not, now is the time to act. Contact us about enrolling your team in one of our Hipaa training courses today and take the first step toward full compliance for your organization. We can even customize the course to address the specific needs of your organization and industry. Click the link below to contact us to get more information. Thank you.